As you grow older, you may find that there are numerous parts of your body that stop working like you're used to. If you're like most people, you notice that your gut health significantly diminishes. While you can certainly change your diet and add more activity to your daily routine, it is also advisable to try a gut health supplement to restore and repair your body to its former performance. With that, this review would like to introduce you to Replenish 911. With this formula, you'll be able to enhance your gut health for a better and pain-free quality of life. Let's see what is Replenish 911 supplement. Replenish 911 is a gut enhancement supplement that replenishes and restores your gut health to the level that it should be had. The formula was designed to help alleviate the gut issues that a majority of Americans suffer from. As the brand explains, over 75% of Americans experience poor gut health. With a supplement like Replenish 911, you can get the full support that you need to lead a pain-free and more comfortable quality of life. Most important, who is the creators of Replenish 911 supplement? When choosing a supplement, it is important to understand the brand behind the product. In this case, Replenish 911 was developed by Phytage Labs. The company was first started to develop skincare products, but soon thereafter, the brand stumbled upon a formula that actually worked much more effectively for gastrointestinal issues. After years of testing, research, and clinical trials, the brand came out with its star formula, Replenish 911. The probiotic supplement is one of the latest and most effective methods for optimal organ and stomach health. Let's see the science in Replenish 911. It is always preferable to opt for a formula that you can count on to work well. In this case, the Replenish 911 has a proven-to-work mechanism. When you add the probiotic to your daily routine, it works to effectively increase your body's ability to absorb nutrients more easily. The higher nutrient absorption functions to keep your energy levels higher, it keeps you fuller for longer, and you'll feel healthier overall. When you take the probiotic supplement, it will increase the number of good bacteria in your gut, while diminishing the bad bacteria. The higher level of good bacteria works to suppress the bad bacteria so that your gut health stays in good condition. Let's see the benefits of Replenish 911. There are many benefits to be had when you add Replenish 911 to your daily routine. Here are the main benefits of this product so that you know what to expect. Eliminates bloating and gas. No more constipation. End leaky gut syndrome. Stop irritable bowel syndrome. 100% natural ingredients included. The main drawbacks of this Replenish 911. This supplement available in official website only. Replenish 911 certainly isn't the cheapest digestive supplement on the market. But, we have to say, it's definitely one of the better ones. And in addition, you get a 90 days, no questions asked, 100% money back guarantee. So more than enough time to be sure that it works for you. My honest summary of this Replenish 911. Overall, Replenish 911 is a high-performance gut enhancement formula that gives you the full support and benefits that you need for better gut health. The product works well to reduce bloating, pain, irritation, and the like. You'll be able to get through your day much more easily and effectively and without having to worry about digestive issues. To order, visit the best discount code link in the description.